Remote Start can set the vehicle to an ideal temperature before driving. You can minimize winter range loss by using Remote Start while still plugged in from overnight charging. Press the Remote Start button on the key fob twice. The daytime running lights and tail lights will come on. The heated or ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, and/or defogger may activate based on outside conditions if equipped. The climate control system will be set to the same settings as when the vehicle was last shut off. If the system was off when the vehicle was last shut off, it will not activate from Remote Start. To cancel Remote Start, press the Remote Start button again. You may also start the climate control system from the Honda Link app. From the dashboard, open the Remote Commands tray and select Turn on Climate. Set your desired climate setting and enter your PIN to send your command to the vehicle. It may take a moment for your command to be sent to the vehicle. To learn more on activating connected services, visit hondahelp.ca.